Hey everyone, this is Rashri and here I am from the group of Abilita. So yeah, today we will learn about how to do animation on a fish. In short, how to do fish animation. So if you are really interested in learn different creative things, either it's animation, video editing, and graphic designing, or what could I say, 2D animation, and many more things like language base or anything else. So you can check our group, you can check our channels, all the videos, and yeah, enjoy the videos. So let's start. So here you could see a fish out here, and the fish is already prepared. I have just wait a second, let me hide this one so that you can see probably the everything clearly. So the fish is ready. It's a part of modeling and texturing which I already done. If you want to see modeling and texturing based things, you can check my other videos as well. So let's proceed and go further in animation this fish. So yeah, the fish is like a kind of piranha, so called piranha. Okay, so after doing the modeling done, you can check for, yeah, you can go with the modeling part or rigging part, but I won't change this option. I will go with the modeling, and from the menu bar you should go and deform, and this time I'll go simply from the deform box non-linear, and here you could see a huge list. So from the list I will choose band, and after clicking on band, probably you can see a stick just attached with the fish or going across the fish or going through the fish, whatever you want to say. So I have to do one thing. What I'll do is that single frame or the single customizing box which I just made here hide a few seconds back, I will make it again show visible, and that is this is known as attribute editor. So in this attribute editor, after adding this one, probably you can see few names like band 1 handle shape, and band 1. So I will click on band 1, but yeah, one thing I just forgot to say, that before working with this one band 1 which belongs to this band or stick, I will just twist this or rotate this a little bit, as because this direction, if I'll turn on the move tool, you can see it's like Y and Z following, because X is following this way. So I will add 90-degree value. Yeah, if you think that what if I will just follow the other rotating side like X or Y. So if I'll select the other options and will hold my middle mouse button, and if I'll rotate, you can see this band is moving actually this way, but my fish is actually by following this direction. So I have to twist the band in this way, which is not happening by rotate X. If I'll do rotate Y, so it's moving, but you can't see because it's moving just following the same direction, standing vertically. So as I told that or mentioned that I have to follow Z direction, probably you can see it's the stick or the band now started to move towards the direction of that where my fish is. Okay, just sorry, I just overdid the undo button. And okay, let's escape from the rotating tool and give the directly 90-degree, because I want this take through 90-degree following direction. So hit, see, the stick is just following the horizontal direction instead of vertical, which was before, and quite similar to the fish shape. Now I will work with band 2. You can see this one, right? So yeah, you can notice three options: curvature, low bound, and high bound. So if I will just work with to show you that how it works and how it will just impact the fish, you can see when I'm just folding curvature, it's actually letting the fish fold, and when I'm just increasing the high bound, it's increasing the height following the direction of its mouth. Okay, so yeah, what if and after the showing all the things, probably you got the idea that we have to mainly work with curvature, but at the same time we have to work with low bound and high bound as well. So if I'll just increase, or if I'll just decrease this one, you can see this stick is just getting to what could I say, to the right hand side of this chart. And yeah, if I'll just increase this one or like if I'll just decrease this one, it's just getting long, it's just being long. And then when I'm just folding, it's like causing more like banded situation for the tail instead of the body, comparison to the, like if I'll just compare both of the part, the main body and the tail. But if I'll decrease this one, and now if I'll just move it, you can see the, like, as because the extra side of low bound, which is known as low bound, and if I'll say it short, like belongs to the left side, no, sorry, right side, it's actually totally blocking the movement of tail and only causing head movement, because I haven't just decreased the value which is high bound. So you can say high one is causing the for what could I say, why I'm saying for sorry. So high bound is just causing the movement of like front area of the body, from face or from mouth to until the like tail, and low bound is causing the movement of tail, which is the back side of the fish. So what if I'll just decrease the value like a little bit, and yeah, and decrease the value of high bound as well. So as I told you, high bound is causing the like less movement of the body, and high bound is known for this area movement, and low bound is causing this area movement. So I will decrease both a little more so that it can make a sense and it can be balanced one. And then if I'm moving it, it's actually making some sense. The body is moving lesser than the tail, and the tail is moving more, because the value, even though decrease still a lot. And as I said, if I'll increase the value, it will totally make it stick, and if I'll decrease the value, it will cause it to move a little bit. And if I'll just like decrease fully, you can see it's moving too super fast. So I won't go this much, I will go around this something, and even though still it's moving a lot. So yeah, I will go with this some value, and I will decrease a little bit more for high bound so that it can't move the body that much. Okay, so yeah, if you want to make the animation by following this way, you can use this one. I hope this will help you a lot in the like in the process of doing math, or why I'm saying math, sure. If you want to do animation with fish in this direction. And yeah, I will show you further more steps how to do animation with fish body and animation with different things for sure. So yeah, I'm going to end this video right here, and let's see you in my next video. If you're interested in animation, then just don't forget to watch for other videos as well. I will just pin down or attach the other videos, and also about video editing, graphic designing, and like other creative things as well. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to, if you are liking this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well if you are liking the video. And please just do a favor, give me a favor, share with your friends and near and dears. And yeah, I will upload very soon in Hindi as well, but the all like how to do animation and all, so that other people don't understand English that much, they could also get some help. And if you're really interested in learning Spanish or English or other languages, you can also watch my videos. There will be all educative things, and language based things will be also there. So thank you so much. Bye bye, guys. Signing off from this video from my channel right now, and hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye.